Silver score says 9. Would be 10 if the ops went diving. 110 on my wrist, I'm thriving. Caught by Clint, I went skydiving. My London heat map's crazy, I wish that it weren't. I can't go back. Too many goals from Central. We went to the party with gang and we led the attack.
Alright boys, welcome back to Background Noise. Today we are going up to the coast. We have the Sunshine Coast Marathon this weekend. It's going to be a bit of a hectic race, 42 k's in the bank. We'll see you when we get to the Ecom. Oh, that was that Gatorade thing. Yeah. Alright guys, better go get some dinner. Gonna go for Italian tonight, get lots of carbs in, fuel up for the race tomorrow. See you there. Yo, hey, I met a girl, she's speaking French. I don't know what she's saying, but I like the way it sounds, yo. I pick it up when she's putting it down, you know. She's picking up when I'm putting it down. I said 1, 2, 3 to the 4. I mean, don't pa, and got dropped. Alright, we're carbing up, pre-race dinner for the race tomorrow. Give you guys a quick run through. Got a little cheesy garlic bread. It's authentic looks. And then there's a little margarita pizza. So we're just going for the cheese and the bread. We're not looking for anything else. No protein, just carbohydrates and a little bit of cheese for some taste. And cameraman Campbell, he's running up the goddamn.
Damn, that looks pretty good though.
It does, looks bussin'. But yeah, we're gonna get this in and then gonna probably get some more. We'll show you guys what we're gonna eat.
What do you have here for your pre-race breakfast?
Yeah, Gatorade Fast Twitch. Cool Blue, 0 sugar. What are we looking caffeine wise? 105 milligrams.
How much protein's in that bad boy?
Not too much, that's for sure. I need to get it down. It's gonna be horrendous.
What's for the pre-race breakfast?
Bit of creamy honey. Quick sachets ready in 90 seconds with some banana. It's a grenade bar.
Like, you're gonna be so locked in.
Yeah, I'm dialed as fuck.
Taste test on the Gatorade. Fast twitch.
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh yeah.
You should put the tailwind in there.
No, just the banana. Oh yeah, some honey. Oh, it's gonna be good. Then porridge ratio. Oh man.
Final product. What's the ratio on that, bro?
It's
100% banana.
120% banana. A little bit of honey.
Give her a little taste test.
Give her a little.
Bro's gonna be dialed in.
It's alright. Does the job. Oh. What do you need? How many more?
I'm doing 10 in total.
10? I'm doing none.
Every 6 Ks, so 6, 12. I'm gonna do before we start. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and then that one, that's 7.
Okay. Jesus. I'm just having like whatever they've got on the side of the
We're
road.
going to take 2 of these, but I just bought them for options.
I'll have some roadkill. Possum?
Just eat whatever you find out in the track.
That's what I've got. When it was down the beaten path. Did you hear the throw, man? Get ready, boys. We got the race kit. We got obviously White Noise sponsored. We made a custom singlet out of the shirts. We got the trusty Puma running pants.
How's the cut on it?
Yo, cut's looking good. Trusty Puma running pants. Ran many Ks in these bad boys. We got the Nike Vomero Tempos, I think they're called. Just bought some sticky socks yesterday. They're $36, so they better do some good. You can't see it, but we got the blister band-aids on as well. Fuck, I forgot the ones for my nipples.
Fuck, I need that strapping tape. A nice crucial.
We might be able to buy some. And then we got the Oakley cannot buy any more retro sunnies. But I feel like we're looking good. We're feeling good. We're about to run our PB pace. 4 hours, sub 4 today. Jesse, what are you going for?
Oh, probably like 3.5.
Let's get it. Why do we all have the same ringtone? I don't know. Do you not? That's what you do. Let's go. Alright, this needs to come out because that's just way too heavy.
So yeah, it's great to be here. Record field, 15,000 people, and it's going to be great to welcome everyone across the finish line. Joel and I are also going to hang around here up until the half marathon.
3, 2, 1, and they're away. And they're off in the EVA Sunshine Coast Marathon 2025, our first single lapper. 4,500 runners in the marathon.
Headlands Hill, then it's flat running all the way. So we wish you all the best. Get your arms up here as you come over that start line. This is your morning. Forget about what you do during the day for a job, folks. This is what it's all side, so it's possibly not going to be smooth sailing all the way. So just be prepared that you may go through the occasional rough patch during your marathon, but be assured that that not so great feeling will disappear.
Why did she just forget it? Yeah, because she had everything in her bag, so then she's like, oh, everything in her bag.
Yeah.
We've got second place in the marathon, making his way down that finishing chute as well. A fantastic performance out there right now. Well done to Steve McKenna. The little result they wanted there. I think that's third place in the marathon, crossing the line.
And our champion coming across the line. What a what a run.
Well done, Soap. Give it up for Soapish. Come on, Soap. Get your arms up in the air, Soap. This is your day. This is your moment. Congratulations, Soap.
And they'll just bottom the dogs?
Yeah, I'm glad I
Yo! 424. So not a PB, but 350. No, 3:47. Good shit. Krishna's coming through soon. I went past him. Finally, I was like, Krishna! Krishna! Because, bro, we went past him 4 times. He was so dialed. Bro, I went past him. He was like this. He didn't say nothing. He just stood his head. He's probably about 20 minutes behind me, bro. I'm so cool. But to say I was bendering all weekend, not too bad.
Cruz, Cope, just come across the line, the Cope family, across to the finish line. Welcome to the finish line, the Cope family.
Alright guys, that's a wrap on the Sunshine Coast Marathon this year. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you're following us on the Instagram to stay updated with what we do. Cheers guys. Thank you.
What have we got on
We
here?
got the race fit right now. Got my sun visor. Got my neck strap. Looking tough.